Hi everyone, I'm Emily and today I'm back at it again with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you how to recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. Today I am going to show you how to elevate all of your cocktail tables at your event or your wedding with a few simple products. These are very budget friendly and an easy way to just amp up the look. If you want to keep on watching, stay tuned. We can just get into it. Okay, so the first design, I'm going to take one of our tall beige bud vases and the Eloise Posy and just place it in. Very simple, easy, and you're done. The second design we have is our standard Eloise Centerpiece. It does have a silver vase, but we really love to mix metals here, so if you have some gold votives, you can definitely mix those. But today I'm using our new Green Votives. It all comes with a candle as well, and they come in a set of 9, so you can separate them among 3 tables, but I would do 3 here. Again, very simple, but it elevates it a lot. Last but not least, we have our aisle marker cluster with some candlesticks. So you've probably seen before, we love to wrap the ribbon to hide it around the center of our aisle marker, and then you can just mesh the two together to kind of make a little cluster and place it just on the table. And then you're gonna place the solitaire candlesticks. These come in a set of 2. These are our shortest candlesticks, so I always recommend these for cocktail table if you don't want anything too tall. And you're just gonna place it and you're done. Again, this was very simple, easy, elevated. So if you are interested in renting or adding on any of these items to your order, be sure to look in the description of the video and all of the links will be there. Okay, and there you have it, 3 ways to elevate your cocktail table. A little bit about how our how-to series works. You can submit your own requests in the form in the description. Include things like your color palette, your inspo photo, your budget. If you don't have a collection already chosen, give us your color palette and we'll be happy to suggest a collection. All the products used in today's how-to will be listed in the description of the video, where you can click the link and shop it. Even if you already have an order placed and you want to add a few more items to your order, you can totally do that as well. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next. See y'all next week.